Hey guys, it's your boy Games, and I'm going to show you how I get my videos ready. I do this all the time with my post notes. This is how I record all notes. See, let's read the first one. Let's look out. Earn gold for pets and weapons. It's not done yet. I gotta do that on video though. Talk about my day and yesterday. Make a series. I've already started it. Done. Let me throw that out soon. That's just today, so I'll throw it out later. Don't die. Failed. Beat the Pipistrello's cave on insane mode, and I get 15. This is just stuff I need to do in future or today, it doesn't matter. Oh, here's a good one. Buy the pink pack. Oh, buy the pink pack and show you guys. And this probably looks like there's no writing on there. Let me get really close. See. Buy pink pack. It's just really hard to read. So I bought the pink pack. Don't die. Series. King. Oh! I thought that was over there. I usually have this hanging up on like the TV or something. And, like when I go to play my game, I'll be like, no, 3, 2, 1 ring on end. Yeah, see this is the 3, 2, 1 ring? Let me show you guys what ring is. It's the 3, 2, 1 ring. I use it when at the end of videos when I'm not like 3, 2, 1, I'm out. You'll see me with the ring on. Just check my Castle Crashers videos. I used to have it's something new that I've been doing. Let's put that back on. I wear it all the time, even at school, but it's kind of bitchy. Unless kind of like put it on the shit. Oh, show chance and show guys pink pack. I'll do that later. Get the cult minion. Beat the ice castle on insane mode, which is going to take a long while. Insane mode is really hard. Oh my god, insane mode, Beast Forest. This is all Castle Crashers, though, by the way. But Castle Crashers, Beast Forest, insane mode. I could quit the game over that. That's ooh. Beat the catfish boss for the open-faced trainer. Insane mode. What's that? The Necromancer. Beat the industrial castle. Inane mode. Yeah, insane mode. King. Yeah. I accidentally can't do the same now. It's mistake. See, there's the same now. It says pink night, buy it. Buy the pink pack. Done. Yeah, so I have two of the same note. Throw one. And that's it. But that's how I just like set up my recording. And at night I'll just write stuff down that I'll write stuff down.
Come get the dogs and throw them there.
Yeah. See you guys later. Showing you how to record. 3, 2, 1. I'm out.